Hey everybody, it's John again, and today we are going to do the spindle option number 3. That was probably one of my favorite looking spindles. Let's go take a look at it here. It is the classic Barley twist. This is a really cool one because we're just going to do a one-start Barley twist, and it's going to look like the board is almost twisted around itself. Let's go ahead and get this one started. Here we go. We're going to start by just unchecking the rope twist. We do like that one. We're going to keep that one for our version number 2. But to do version number 3, we're just going to manage our toolpath again, back over here to spiral, and this time click on Barley twist. There we go. Barley twist now turns red, so just like you've already seen me in the past, click on that thing, let's select our tool, and let's go to work. We're going to use an 1.5" Barley twist bit. It's going to come down here, see if we can't find that guy. So many bits here to look at. Sometimes I kind of lose them in all that's here. Let's see. There's our Barley twist. I guess it makes sense that it's alphabetical. And we're going to grab the Barley twist 1.5". Go ahead and select and exit. We're going to assign this a new tool. Now we could assign this number 4 again because that's on a whole different tool path that we're using. But let's go ahead and make it 5 just for spiral start position is 6.75. Spiral end position is 29.25. Use profile height, yes. Maximum path depth, yes. Number of starts, 1. And in this one here, I've got it going up to the right again. So we're going to go ahead and just change the direction of the spiral up to the right. And finally, our section diameter will be 1.6875 or 1 11/16. With that done, let's click on Finish and Save. And now what we're going to do here when we generate our code is just uncheck the rope molding. And when we do that, when we uncheck the rope twist bit, we generate our code, it just leaves it out. So now I have tool 1, surface planing, tool 2, the V bit, tool 3, the shallow classic point, all from the very first leg we did. In this variation, we added the 1.5" Barley twist, adding that twist to it. Let's go down here and take a look at that. At the bottom, here is our twist. This is going to be phenomenal. But one of the cool things about CCAM Pro that I just really think is awesome is we can go switch back and forth between version number 2 and version number 3 by just checking and unchecking. Generate this one, that's the leg beforehand. Turn off that one, turn on this one, generate it again, we've got another one. This makes it so that you can have a whole bunch of variations of spindles. Just make sure you save the right toolpath. All right, guys, you know the drill. We're done coding. We're going to save this to a flash drive. Let's go out and meet at the machine and make some sawdust. The second variation of this spindle starts with the same first 3 processes: turning round, chamfering, and our right of it profile. Now we're going to add the Barley twist, and it should end up looking just like this. Let's make some sawdust.